To solve this question, x plus y equal to 10, x minus y equal to 2, we will use the substitution method. The solution. Alright, x plus y equal to 10. Let's call this equation 1. X minus y equal to 2. And let's call this equation 2. So, from equation 2, let's make x the subject of the formula by adding y to the both sides, 2 plus y. So minus y plus y would go, and then we'll have x equal to 2 plus y. So we substitute the value of x into the first equation, which is x plus y equal to 10. Substitute the value of x here, and we would have 2 plus y equal to 10. So 2y plus y is 2y is equal to 10. Okay, so we are looking for y. So we subtract 2 from the both sides, plus 2y equal to 10 minus 2. Alright, so of course this is 0. Then 2y is 10 minus 2 is 8. So we can say that divide the both sides by 2, and y will be 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so we substitute y equal to 4 into the first equation to get x. So the first equation is x plus y is equal to 10. So now we know that y is 4. So it's equal to 10. We subtract 4 from the both sides, plus 4 minus 4 is 10 minus 4. So of course this is 0. So x becomes 10 minus 4 is 6. So now we have that our x is equal to 6 and y is 4. So let's substitute this into the two equations to verify our answer. So the first equation is x plus y is equal to 10. Let's check if the two sides are the same. X is 6 plus y is 4 is equal to 10. So of course 10 is equal to 10. So the first equation is verified. Let's check for the second equation. X minus y is equal to 2. X is 6, y is 4 is equal to 2. So let's 2 here is 2. So the second equation is also verified. So our value of x is 6 and y is 4. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Put your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.